Welcome. This video is on the distributive property. The distributive property says that for every real number, a, b, and c, a times the quantity b plus c equals a times b plus a times c. What does this look like in practice? Here we have the value 3 times the quantity 2x plus 5. So to use the distributive property, we're going to take 3 and multiply by the first term in the quantity, 2x. 3 times 2x is 6x. We'll repeat that process using the second term in the quantity, 3 times 5, which would be plus 15. So here our simplified form would be 6x plus 15. The distributive property also works when the term on the outside, like this 4x here, has a variable, in this case x. Use the same process. Term on the outside multiplied by the first term in the quantity. 4x times 3x. 4 times 3 multiply the coefficients is 12, and then our exponent rules say that x times x gives us x squared. And again, 4x times the second value in our quantity, 2, plus 4 times 2 is 8, and we still have that x. Problems like this still apply to the distributive property. This time our a, or our outside term, is on the right side of the quantity. It's still going to be the same process. We're going to take this outside value and multiply by each term inside the quantity. 4 times x is 4x, and then the second term in the quantity, 4 times 7 would be plus 28. Our final example here has a variable on the outside. It also has a minus sign on the inside of the parentheses, or part of the quantity. Same process. Draw in the arrows. They'll help you see the multiplication. 2 times 4 is 8. X times x is x squared. And then 2x times negative 9. Because remember, we need to take this minus sign with that 9. So 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. And we have x. And that would be it simplified. Just to summarize and bring this to a close, remember, draw in the arrows. They help you to see the distributive property and you won't miss any terms that way. And then multiply. Always multiply those coefficients, and if you're working with multiple variables, make sure you follow your exponent rules. And that's it for the distributive property.